Moisture has been detected in Android system. The new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold May 3rd say after a day at the pool, but don't worry, the phone has improved durability and waterproofing. This means that the phone's 12.0 rear camera megapixels can be used without fear of water damage. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 is a conversation starter as well as a phone. When you unfold the phone, everyone rushes to you to inquire about its specifications, as well as to see if it truly folds. The combination of two displays and a hinge mechanism that allows you to fold and unfold this phone results in the most eye-catching mobile gadget design to date. The crease is still visible and palpable, but it's a small price to pay for a phone that can serve as your primary device for the majority of the day, allowing you to read PDFs, play games, respond to work emails, and create content. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold is a heavy and thick phone that weighs an incredible 271 grams and is impossible to misplace. If you liked Samsung's Galaxy Note series, the Galaxy Z Fold 3 is the phone for you. Unfolded, the phone is a dream, elevating reading and internet browsing to new heights. The 191.9mm display screen speeds up the online shopping experience. There's something so reassuring about seeing items you want to buy on a larger screen than your standard mobile screen, though that is also an option for this type of phone. The taskbar feature is extremely useful because it allows you to pin your favorite apps to the side of the screen for easy access and allows you to quickly glance to see how many notifications you have on other apps. This phone has a cool feature in that it forces any app to display itself on the top half of the phone when it is half opened. This is known as Flex Mode. Flex Mode, when placed on a table, is ideal for watching a video while eating dinner. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 has a dual personality because it can function as both a work phone and a personal phone. It has long been claimed that a phone's front camera is of poor quality, so Samsung devised a solution to this issue. While the phone is open, you can take a selfie with the back camera while checking yourself out on the cover screen. There is no better way to capture high-quality selfies and videos than with a smartphone. If your primary concerns are capturing and sharing photos and videos, and you are a casual smartphone user, this phone may be underutilized. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 enables you to get more done on the go without opening your laptop.